Rice University bioengineers are using 3D printing and smart biomaterials to create an insulin-producing implant for type 1 diabetics. The researchers will use insulin-producing beta cells made from human stem cells to create an implant that senses and regulates blood glucose levels by responding with the correct amount of insulin at a given time. A researcher in the team has spent more than a decade developing biomaterials that protect implanted cell therapies from the immune system. Another researcher has spent more than 15 years researching techniques to 3D print tissues with vasculature or networks of blood vessels. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease that causes the pancreas to stop producing insulin, the hormone that controls blood sugar levels. About 1.6 million Americans live with type 1 diabetes, and more than 100 cases are diagnosed each day. Type 1 diabetes can be managed with insulin injections, but balancing insulin intake with eating, exercise, and other activities is difficult. Studies estimate that fewer than one-third of type 1 diabetics in the US consistently achieve target blood glucose levels. The researchers are using a combination of pre-vascularization through advanced 3D bioprinting and host-mediated vascular remodeling to give each implant several shots at host integration. The insulin-producing cells will be protected with a hydrogel formulation. The hydrogel material, which has proven effective for encapsulating cell treatments in bead-sized spheres, has pores small enough to keep the cells inside from being attacked by the immune system, but large enough to allow passage of nutrients and life-giving insulin. If the implant is too slow to respond to high or low blood sugar levels, the delay can produce a roller coaster-like effect where insulin levels repeatedly rise and fall to dangerous levels. By incorporating blood vessels in their implant, the researchers hope to allow their beta cell tissues to behave in a way that more closely mimics the natural behavior of the pancreas.